I'm done. I'm giving up. Enough is enough. If I had $1 for every time I heard that, I would probably not be doing YouTube. So quick backstory, I was looking at social media today and I saw an influencer, which I'm technically an influencer also, but it was another influencer, and they were sharing a skincare routine, and it was at least 20 some steps for this whole skincare routine. And as another skincare influencer, I was even looking at that. Of course, I didn't leave a comment or say anything, but I was looking at that thinking, my goodness, who's gonna use 20 steps? Not to mention the price, how expensive that would be. And then also this morning, I gave my husband a serum I wanted him to try out, and he only has like 4 or 5 serums on his little get ready tray thing. And he was like, I have too many serums. There's 5 different ones here. He said, just put one there, tell me which one I need to use, and that's it. He doesn't want to have a plethora of skincare to choose from. He's not into layering lotions and potions and serums. And so even the other day, he didn't put anything on because he couldn't figure out what products of the 5 or 6 products that were sitting there to use. And it got me thinking of how I have been hearing this from many different people who leave me comments that they're done, they're giving up. They don't even want to deal with skincare anymore. A lot of people are just getting overwhelmed and they're just giving up altogether. And it got me thinking like, well, you know what? I'm guilty of sharing sometimes a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 skincare routine, not because we need all of those products, but just sharing what I actually personally use. But it's nighttime, I'm about to jump in the shower, and I thought, you know what, let me just share what I'm using, because lately I've been really lazy and I've only been using a couple products to do my skincare routine. And when I tell you the results that I got from using these ingredients, and super duper quick results, you're gonna be just as mind blown as I was. So let me just jump in the shower, wash off all today's grime, and then I'm gonna show you this one serum that I think is going to absolutely blow your mind. All right, I just got out of the shower. I wanna show you this one product that I used in the shower for my face that basically is replacing 4 or 5 different products. And this is perfect for those people who don't want to have a bunch of steps in their skincare routine, but they still want all the benefits of using a bunch of products. And the product I just used when I was in the shower that's pretty much replacing like 4 different steps is the Clean Cleanser from Skincare Generics. But you guys, this cleanser, this has blown my mind, and even though it's brand new, I've basically been using this for the past 8 years, because this product right here, this is the Is Clinical Cleansing Complex. I've shared this a gazillion times. I even did a video like 8 years ago, how this is a holy grail, and I've shared it repeatedly, but I kind of stopped sharing it because the price has gone up on this, and it's like $50 for this cleanser. But I'm not gonna lie, it's an amazing cleanser. It's been a holy grail for a reason, and I'm gonna share why. But this cleanser is the exact same ingredients list, and this is so much less expensive. But it's funny because most dupe products only have like 3, 4, or 5 of the same ingredients. Every single ingredient is absolutely identical. But the reason why this has been a holy grail for so long, the ingredients that are in here, because it's not just a cleanser. I know a lot of people think, well, it's just a cleanser. It's not. This is not just your cleanser. This is a makeup remover. You don't have to use an oil cleanser first at night to take off your sunscreen and makeup. This will do it for you. This is like your 5-in-1 product, especially if you don't want to do a bunch of steps. Not only is it my makeup remover, sunscreen remover, my cleanser, my toner, my exfoliator, but this is also a mask. And so what I like to do, I'll cleanse my face first when I get in the shower, and then I will put a thin layer of this on, and I leave it on like a mask while I'm washing my body and doing everything else. And I learned this little trick, I think it was like a med spa or something years ago, because many med spas use this brand, so that's why I was super excited when this came to the market, and it's, you know, identical ingredients. But the reason why I like to use this as a mask that I learned is since it has the ingredients that are nice and resurfacing, and instead of just putting it on your face and then rinsing it off really quickly like you would a normal cleanser, the ingredients that are in here are top notch. And so I like to leave it on my face just for a few minutes so these ingredients can go to town and help eat off any of those dead flakies that are just, you know, sitting on the surface of my skin. And that's one thing I think a lot of people don't realize about cleansers. They just think, oh, it's okay if I just splash my face with water. Maybe in the morning that's fine, but in the evening, especially if you wear makeup or sunscreen, like, you want to cleanse your face, because if you don't get rid of the layer of stuff that's on your skin, how are any of your other skincare products even gonna properly penetrate? So that's why, you know, especially if you're being lazy or if you just don't want to hassle with a bunch of steps, that's why using something like this that's basically 5 steps in one can be really beneficial for many people. And like I said, even though I enjoy, you know, using a bunch of different skincare, like the whole process of my nighttime skincare routine is such an enjoyable process for me. But especially if you're like a busy mom or you're just in a really big hurry, or if you just don't like skincare, but you still want to have top-notch products, you might want to look into this, especially like I said, because it's a dupe for the super popular Is Clinical Cleansing Complex. But anyways, I left this on my face for a few minutes. Now my face is super baby soft and smooth. And the reason why I did this, now I don't do it every time I wash, but before I use this next product, that's why I like to make sure my skin is nice and resurfaced without using a bunch of other products first, just this one product. Now, of course, you do not have to use that cleanser. You can use whatever cleanser that you like. The star of the show is this growth factor serum. And yes, it is finally back in stock. But the reason why I like to use that type of a cleanser first is because since this is a growth factor serum, the molecules of the growth factor are larger than, say, like a glycolic acid, and you don't want to have anything blocking your skin and preventing this from penetrating. Now, if you have not seen my other videos, really briefly, this is a dupe or an affordable alternative for the OG of all growth factors from SkinMedica, but this is $300. I mean, this has been a holy grail growth factor serum of mine now for 8 years. I tell the story all the time. This is the only product I started using 8 years ago that was new into my routine. I didn't know if it was working. I was hoping it would since it was so expensive. And then one day, maybe 2-3 weeks after using it, I walked by a mirror and I had to take a double take because I could not get over how firm my jawline looked and my skin looked. And then I started getting compliments on my skin, especially people complimenting me on the texture. It was like my texture was just disappearing on my skin. That is something, of course, that this is known for. Very, very fast results. This is one of the only products on the market that can address sagging in the skin. This, again, like I said, it helps with texture, it helps with fine lines, wrinkles. It's just an overall amazing anti-aging product. And this is a growth factor serum. So this basically helps our cells to regenerate and to reveal that beautiful, more youthful looking skin. But again, this is $300. So this has come on the market. This is, I think, like 6 or 7 times cheaper than this. But you guys, the ingredients list in this is also 100% the same ingredients list. And I've been using this for a while, and yes, I love this, but I love this also because I cannot tell a difference between these at all. Well, my pocketbook can. My purse, my bank account can tell a major difference. So now this is on a huge sale right now. If you're just like, no, I don't care, I will only buy the high-end luxury product. It is on a big sale right now. I'll leave that information down below. But if you want to save a ton of money, and if you want to literally be able to buy like 7 of these for the price of 1 of these, I'll leave this information down below as well. Even though this price is already ridiculously low for a growth factor serum with 100% of the same ingredients as this, you can also get an additional 10% off for new customers. I'll leave all this information below, but this is the star of the show that I want to share with you. If you are just saying, I'm giving up, I'm done, I'm not doing skincare anymore, but you know, you still want to age gracefully and you don't want to be confused with a bunch of 27-step skincare routine, this one product, if you're of the mature age, if you're 20s or 30s, you don't need something like this. You could just use a moisturizer, to be honest. But if you want that one product that pretty much is the kitchen sink that has it all, it has your growth factors, it has your antioxidants, it has your peptides, you're gonna see instantly the glow that this gives my skin. One side has the antioxidants and the botanicals, and then the other side has the growth factors in it. And the one thing that I like is, do you notice there's 2 separate pumps on this? Now, when they originally made it, it was 1 pump. And so now they've changed it and they put 2 separate pumps so that there's no issues with pumping the product out. And you can see one side is the clear, one side is the cream, and they're 2 separate products that they stay stable in here, 2 different chambers. So after you pump it out, you just mix these together and then you apply to your skin and just watch how beautiful and glowy. And now, of course, it's wet, so that's why you're gonna see the glow. But even when it dries down, it is still super ridiculously glowy. So if you want like the Mac Daddy anti-aging one product, so you don't have to have a 27-step skincare routine, I think that you're going to absolutely love this serum. I mean, look at this glow. that this gives my skin compared to this side. Now, if you want a ton more details on growth vectors, what they can do for the skin, specifically when you should use them, if you are using like a 5, 10, 15 step skincare routine, I'm gonna pop another video up here if you wanna check that out. And I even like to pat whatever the leftover is right on the tops, right below my eyebrows. I wasn't necessarily even putting this on my eyelids before, and then one of you left me a comment saying that you noticed really quick results in your hooded eyes, getting a little bit firmer from putting this on your eyelids. So I was like, well, let me start putting it on my eyelids too. I'm just trying to pump out like little half pumps just so I can add a little bit extra there. Now, honestly, you could just get away with half a pump, blend it in the tips of your fingers, not all over your hands, and then put it all over your face and your neck and your chest, and then it would make this last even longer. But when I first started, I did start using it 2 times a day, in the morning and the evening, and that's how I noticed the results really, really quickly, within I'd say like 2 weeks. So if you don't want to do any other steps in your evening skincare routine, this is all you have to do. Now, of course, if it's daytime, please put a sunscreen on afterwards, but you're pretty much good to go just with this serum. Now, if you're like me, I do like to always use a moisturizer at night. You don't have to buy an expensive fancy moisturizer. You could honestly just use your non-fragranced body moisturizer on your face. Or if you're like me, I like this super affordable one from Cream. There's a few moisturizers on the market I like, but I would say out of all my moisturizers, this is the one that I repeatedly purchase over and over and over. It's affordable and it works and it's simple. And I also like this moisturizer during the day because it's a more kind of lighter texture and it still looks really pretty underneath makeup. And no, we don't have to buy a separate fancy neck cream. You could just use your moisturizer on your neck and your chest as well. And if you really want to go that extra step, put like a half a pump more of the growth factor serum on your neck and chest before you do your moisturizer. And you don't have to invest in any extra neck products at all. You're good to go. Everything the same for your face, your neck, and your chest. And we're done. So for those of you that are telling me you're done, you're over it, you've had enough, you're quitting skincare, please don't quit, because this is the easiest and fastest, just what, 2-3 step skincare routine. You can pretty much do that 10-15 step skincare routine in 1 or 2 easy and affordable steps. Just to let you know, this growth factor serum, this super inexpensive one, it's sold out 2 or 3 times already. Every single time it comes back in stock, it sells out instantly. Now, I never try to push anyone to buy anything, but if it's something that you've been wanting to purchase, if it were me, I would purchase it immediately. And a lot of people are buying backups because sometimes when it goes out of stock, it's out of stock for a couple months. That's one other thing I want to mention. This company, you know, it's a smaller company. It's not like Skin Medica where, who knows, you might purchase this from a store and it might be 2 years old because the store you buy it from has had this inventory sitting on the shelves for years. The nice thing about this, since it keeps going out of stock, is you know that when you get this, it is the freshest. It comes straight from manufacturing and pretty much into your bathroom and vanity instantly, versus who knows how long this product sits on the market at different stores. So that's one plus about it selling out all the time. All right, if you want to know a ton more details about this product, I've already shared a couple videos and I've gone in much more depth in what this actually does for the skin. If you want to see one of those other videos, I will pop that video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.